Making an entrance is important, but entrance flooring is equally as important. You don't want your people or visitors to slip, trip or fall. And what to think of all the dirt and moisture possibly being tracked in? You need to stop it at the door. We at Forbo Flooring know that entrance flooring is fundamental to modern building design. Because if you really want to keep your building clean and safe, it's not enough to just put down a mat. Creating a good entrance flooring system involves thinking about footfall and walking routes in your building, and incorporating that in the design of the entrance area. We offer solutions for all types of entrances, both rigid via our New Way products and textile via our coral solutions. All products have been developed in-house, making use of our unique, innovative and environmentally friendly yarns. Two types of products with different ranges, but with the same goal: reducing the potential for slipping while keeping dirt and moisture out, which prolongs the life of your flooring and reduces cleaning, repair and overall maintenance costs. Whatever your building needs, we've got a solution for every area, because every entrance is unique.